Program button for 3 seconds to create a new program. 2. Click Linear Motion to insert the transition point. 3. Press the Drag Greater Than button in the robot body. Drag to the target point. 4. Move the rod to fine adjust the position and attitude of the welding mill. 5. Click Linear Motion to insert the arc starting. 6. Click the Weld button and wait until the command information is displayed on the handle display. Click the Shift button to confirm the welding current and welding voltage values. Click the Shift button again to confirm the welding speed. Finally, insert the arcing command. 7. Click the Swing Greater Than button and wait until the command information is displayed on the display of the handle. Click the Shift button to confirm the swing frequency and swing amplitude. Finally, insert Wobble Start command. 8. Press the drag button in the robot body and drag it to the target. 9. Hold down the recover button for more than 3 seconds. The posture of the robot returning to the previous teaching point. 10. Move the stick and adjust the position of the target point. 11. Click the linear motion button to insert the arc extinguishing point. 12. Hold down the shift button and click the swing button. Insert swing stop. 13. Hold down the shift button. Click the weld greater than button. Insert the extinguishing command. 14. Press the drag button in the robot body and drag to the target point. 15. Click the linear motion greater than button to insert the transition. 16. Select from the instructor instruction menu, welding, multi-layer, multi-channel, start instruction. 17. Click insert to insert before the transition. 18. Select from the instruction menu, welding multi-layer, multi-channel and instruction. 19. Click insert after the transition point. More detail, please scan the code.